attack, attack, attack. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Attack. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack. My people, big up on yourself, man. I don't know what the thing going here. I don't know. So the attacking boss there. New Link from New Link Production. And I mean say attack. Because honestly, my people, first me in the car, I drive and I do a vlog, right? You must know say it's an attack New Link I come with, and a real attack, my people. See? Because you know the car is my original thing for me. To attack. See, no matter what type of attack I want, and it's an attack. See? Many people now gonna agree with me. Cause you know me as a youth, me not afraid for talk, people. This is the blog I not afraid for talk, I'm not afraid for attack. You know what I mean? Because me run my show, me control my show. See? Who don't like it, just don't like it. But big up to the real ones, them, cause the real ones, them always do what? Okay. Well, my viewers and subscribers, see? I see a lot of people request me and I send me this thing and all. Because them see me cover the story more than once, and them see much backlash me get from people when me do cover the story about this youth and when them Dalton people. See? Yeah man, them see the backlash, them see from the start of it. Cause I was a true follower of this youth people. No joke. Especially when him in the X Factor and him a go on good. And you see the vlog them from the time when me do people. And you see it. See it's not like say New Link come up and just turn against the youth. Me not turn against him. I mean not hate nobody. I understand people. No, because I not make nobody, you know. The Almighty make people. See? But it's when somebody do something people in the public eyes, and at first they were denying what they were doing. When we do see or saw what they were doing, people, and people backlash me a lot of times based on the fact where I talk about what, you know what I mean, they were doing. So my viewers and my subscribers, see, the real truth of the matter is, and what I really want to talk about now, people, about this youth now, based on the fact where a new video release now, people, see, basically about a TikTok something, because honestly, real man not do TikTok. Me are telling the truth, people. Real man, we not do what? We not do TikTok. No joke about it, people. Me say real man not join them something there. And that's why you say New Link. We not there something there, people. See? No joke about it. So, our TikTok now, that's how we get to find out. So most people when they want release them mind, when they want come out with them truthful self, when they want put out them look combo longo long them scumbo longo, that's where them choose to do it. Cause them know say no, they can't compare IG with certain things, and they know so they can't compare Twitter with certain things. We're not busy with that Facebook something there too. See? But here I go now, my viewers and subscribers. This thing I want me to release now, what them sent to me. Of course I watch it, man. Them send something to me, I'ma watch it, people. Me say the youth now in a car. You know, look when he call something them and he tight something them. Because you know I love just on him blows and him sitting around him head. You know I'm just already people. Or him go on with him thing. But you were denying the whole thing, you know. See? I see him have a look bag in it, like a look giving night or something like that. I don't know why night still at the time there. But I see him have a look bag a showcase. Then now, video at him put it on him TikTok, you know, people. Him put it on him TikTok. Then video comes about now. Join with that the one there on him TikTok now. With this white youth now. Then collecting the bag now, and viewers and subscribers basically him get some spray in the bag, some perfume or color we want to call it, anything we want to call it, couscous or musmus, puss. See? And him get them in his bag now, people. And he was so happy, he was so delighted. But from the same people you can't see the big shark on him, you know. Yeah man. See? And this are the same youth now. Oh, the video did jack when they told them they done him. You know what? That's something when they do the vlog pan and thing about the whole youth and them something the people. See? As me tell the people when me attack, me not afraid for talk. I mean him attacking boss. See? So boom so now, me say now, we are two of them go sit down in a court side and side people. And you know when a man surprise him woman with something nice, and the woman feels so delighted and feels so good and feels so great about it, people. You understand? So amazing. Yeah, that's how it look, people. But what? And the two of them did there now. And then me see what come forward, so people. Oh my girl, oh my patience, New Link. Them cut it as them I was about to. You understand? With them I go French it out and them I go deep short it out what they want to do, people. See? But you can't look on them and you see it. And why me really attack people? Because I'm in a business with nobody. How them want to live their life or then choose their life. Zin, but as what me as the people, it's a letdown. Honestly, it's a letdown. And me know why me say it's a letdown, and I'm gonna tell you why it's a letdown, people. The fact is when we see these things, people, and we were talking about it, because we never say you have bad enough to do nothing or what, but we're talking and people were bashing us for it and say nothing no gossa, leave the man just a day, understand nothing like that, we don't got judge people on this. See? So all of these people now, see? Who were at first and saying this and saying that, how you all feeling yourself right now? As me tell people, you see the backlash, you see how much email me get when me do my vlog them about this thing. But what? If me did afraid for talk, people, me would not talk. See? But the fact is there now, people. This youth are very talented youth. See? And if you check the history with Jamaica music business, people, remember when it comes to my mashup factor, you know, Joe Bangovich, I wear one name, the whole Soundfest crew, give him up, you know what I mean, a part, you know what I mean, them book him for his show and him do a nice performance for the show and thing. Which Jamaica people love him, say him talented than these people. But in our book, people, our dictionary, done a yard there. You ever hear say, we have none of them short there. See? Who are get booked for a show in a Jamaica as a Jamaican? We know so we have some shark where maybe get booked for some show like Jazz and Blues, but them they are not shark where, you know what I mean? Yes, of course. Cause you don't know a couple of artists booked for them show there, you know. Me not got them show this but me know a couple of artists well booked for their show there who are shark. Some of them long time all foundation artists from overseas like Jazz and Blues and them something the people. See? But you ever hear of none of our reggae artists, them people come to have a career in Jamaica and getting shows and all of that? Honestly, eh? Me now wish the bad for them and I mean I look down upon them and people. I mean I tell them how to live, see? But I don't know what flying this talented youth head or something. Or if it did in him gene or in him vein them, you understand from he was born. Maybe they did in people, see? But I know it come a show with the true colors, I know it feel like release it, see? But all me can say, people, it's a shame. It's a shame. It's a shame. I don't care what nobody wants to say. It's a letdown and it's a shame. See? He's a very talented youth. A lot of people look upon him. He's a yard man, originally yard man, and I just they say the people. He messed up, you know. Big time. It can't be something when do and him feel good in himself, he feel great in himself. People as me tell us, I'm not look out and I'm not go against nobody for what them choose, what them want live people. But honestly, yo, me feel bad. See? Me feel bad with the whole thing, people. See? Because me know I said now, honestly, him still want to pursue him career in music. Him still want to do it. It's not like him that drop it. Him still want to do it, people. I mean, what the fuck is that? You know, whereas him not from over them big side of people, him is from yard. See? And you know what gonna happen, people? Him not gonna get that break where him expect to get, and he's a talented youth. Eh? So it's like you have this talent and you come to boom and you take your one talent where you have and dash down now and tile it and flush it. See? Yeah, man. You dash for your own self, people. See? As me say, me not tell no man how to live them life, how to choose them life, or what them to do with them life, people. But he made, you know what I mean, a choice, or as me tell you, he may be in him gene, in him vein, in him blood, everything in him people from before. But all me can say, people, him done. Him done. Him finish. And a straight attack. See? He feel bold enough. He feel good enough, him feel great enough to come and talk and decide say that him want people. As me tell him for him choice, me not tell him what to do, me not go do him nothing, me not go tell nobody to do him nothing, because I could never do something like that, my viewers and subscribers. But all I'm saying, people, him dash all of the talent, him dash all everything, people, done him one toilet, him flush him one self. See? And it's such a shame. It's such a letdown. Honestly. Yeah? Oh my bird, oh my precious no look. Remember when Killer did see them over and Killer did talk, you know? You know what backlash on them this Killer? Eh? Remember when New Link comes up and New Link top the vlog there, you know much backlash, how much this the attacking basket? But see the people, but just sees and knows. It's a shame. Eh? When me see the boy put on him on knickers and him blows them and go out with a bag of thing and come forward and come bowl. And when you see you have some of them, that's why you see enough of them female artists and people. Me I tell you the truth, you know. Me used to support some of them. Me I talk me one Jamaican dancehall female artists there, but me not support them again. You understand? Because them hungry do this thing for money. Honestly, and if a man did trust and believe in the Almighty, certain things they not gonna support and they not gonna do. See, blessed money, remember when we got off of this earth, all the money where we have for land, we cannot take it with us. I'm telling you that. And this is why, Mr. People, how can you sit here and have millions of dollars? You come and you brag and you boast and you show off with it. See? And you watch a local brother and your sister around there suffer and are dead for hungry. What kind of heart you got? You feel say the money you can't carry to, you know? All me can tell you, no, man. Repent and beg for forgiveness. That's all I can tell you now. Youth, you don't stand there. All me can tell you, go flush out yourself and get a refresh up brain and come again. See? Because right now, as me tell you, you put yourself in the toilet and all you do is just draining down the pit. Going right down. My people, big up on yourself. More love, more respect, and more blessings. And I prepare for the attack them. I prepare for the cursing them. I'm not going to turn my attack by me, because me, I'm attacking boss. But me telling them I'm not scared and I'm not fear nothing people. Anything is anything. Because I'm represent for the people. Big up on yourself. Peace, love, respect. Be good, be great, and be safe out there, people. Remember, please do subscribe. And my people, remember, please support the new thing where we are come with people, the new charitable thing. Please, we're asking to support the movement. We have a live come up soon, but we are going to really talk about this thing because we need the people to support the people. We have to make some difference and change some people's life. You understand? No, man, we can't live and watch what people are dead for younger. But see it, no, sir. Peace out. Enough love.